Here's the savory way to make your own salad with avocado, mango, and strawberries. Cut the pepper in half lengthwise and remove the seeds. Chop the pepper finely. Zest the lime. And then juice. Whisk the lime juice with the zest, red pepper, cumin, and oil to make a dressing. Season with pepper and salt to taste. Peel the mango. And cut the flesh into cubes. Remove the tops from the strawberries and cut into quarters. Cut the avocado in half lengthwise. Remove the pit and scoop out the flesh with a spoon. Cut the flesh into cubes. Pour the dressing over the fruit and mix. Let the fruit marinate for 10 minutes. Cut the lettuce into strips and coarsely chop the cilantro. Just before serving, sprinkle in the cilantro and lettuce and toss. That's it! The quick, easy, and savory way to make salad with avocado, mango, and strawberries.